Qualifications-Based Selection, step by step. Welcome to Step 8, Jointly Define Scope. As soon as possible after the selection, the owner should begin developing a comprehensive scope of services jointly with the most qualified firm. This may happen via one or more meetings of the design professional and the owner, after which the design professional submits a project and a work plan. The project should list consultants and the roles and responsibilities of all members of the design team, as well as the responsibilities of the owner. Normally, it's not difficult to reach an agreement on the services because the QBS process facilitates an understanding of the project's scope and requirements. However, if you cannot agree on the scope of services, terminate negotiations with the first-ranked firm and open negotiations with the second-ranked firm.